Hello and welcome to Genetically Modified Dragons YouTube channel. My name is Keith. If you guys want to do me a favor and click that red button that says subscribe right before this video starts. Go ahead and click the bell as well so you can be notified when I upload a video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And before we get started, again, we're all out chilling. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean these cages out, get them ready. I'm gonna start off by taking out all the decor, then I'm gonna take the whole thing outside, spray them down with some disinfectant, then I'll let them sit for a little while, and then hose them down.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, it's been about 2 hours since I washed these cages off. I cleaned them a little bit more on the bottom to get some more of that the dirt off the bottom, so they're pretty clean now. I still have this broken lid, so I've been fabricating a piece. If you see this front piece right here is missing. So I went ahead and drilled 2 holes right here, and I've been looking for pieces to go in this area right here to hide that gap. So I have these pieces of it's for screen. It's the metal piece for the screen, the border. So I went ahead and cut one of those down to fit. And also drill holes in these as well. And that's gonna go right in the front like that. So the gap that's currently right there, it's gonna be blocked like this. So it's gonna look like. So it's gonna look like that right there. And once I screw it tight, then this piece is gonna be a little bit loose. So I went ahead and cut a notch and flipped the little piece, the extra piece down. And I'm gonna use a self-tapping screw and screw it to right here. I could have got a little bit more center, but I was just trying to get it done fast. So once I screw those top pieces in, I'm gonna screw that one in right there with a self-tapping screw. It's gonna connect right here to make it firm, so that nothing can escape out right here. It's not much of a gap. And over here, it's not much of a gap. And if my buddy ever find the correct piece, it'll be easy just to unscrew it and then put the correct piece back on here, glue it, and then we'll be back in business. But just for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Which is a lot better. And then go ahead and start decorating these. And also, I wanted to put them over here, but I want them to, like the same level as this one. So I was looking around to see if we can, what can I put right here so that all the cages are level with one another. I tried to pull one of these racks down and put it right here, but it was too short. So what I think I'm gonna do is take these cages that I'm no longer using, put the two smaller ones on the bottom, and put the larger one on top. That way I can fit the two cages on there even, and possibly a third cage. Because the bottom one is 48 inches, which is about the same as the this brown cage here. So once I put those cages right here, I can also bring that one over here and bring it up a level so that they're all on the same level. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I got it mostly set up. I'm gonna have to scoot it more that way so we have more space to get to these racks. So I'll probably scoot that down maybe another 2 or 3 feet. Had to put these little bins underneath with a rack with a 20-gallon lid underneath so that these can fit flush with this, or else it'll be a lot shorter. Then I'm gonna bring over another shop light and put on top of those ones. It's for UVB. Scoot it over like I said. And that'll be pretty much it. So I'll probably gonna move these guys to their own enclosures to tomorrow. Also gotta set those up. So looks pretty good so far though. Especially when I move it over, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna take this out and probably just fill in that space with the cages. So slide this down to right here. And then I have more space over here. So it'll be double this space right here. So it'll be come to like right here. Then I can get in there and get into these with no problem. And the AC, I'm gonna be plugging that up soon because it's warming up. Everything coming together. Now I have more space over here because I moved those cages. Just gotta put those boxes away, clear this up. So it's a whole lot more space right here. Also got the new tracks came in. Because remember I told you guys that those sliding glass don't work that well. Bought the glass to replace it. I'm gonna replace those as well eventually. Right now those still sliding good, but that bottom one is horrible. And I want to put thicker pane glass in it. There we go. So that's the new tracks for that cage. Put it down there. broke this glass a while ago, so it's finally finna get fixed eventually. Maybe within a month. Cause I gotta buy new glass. I have to take the girl out of here. I don't know where I'll house her. I'll probably set this cage up all the way right here. Probably finish setting that one up. Move her and her potential mate, the one that she may be grabbed by, into that cage and let them stay in there. And then fix this cage up, and then move another potential pair in there. And then I have an extra female that I'll be putting in another cage that I'm gonna get built the same dimensions as this to fit right there, and get rid of those small cages and put those small cages on top. So I have 4, and I'll be getting what, I got an extra female? Yeah, I have an extra female, so I'll probably get 1 more male ocelota to pair up. And I'm keeping the same cage because these are big cages. And I also got to get more flagstone, so I could put a high, like a mountain of rocks on the hot side, and a mountain of rocks on the cool side on each cage, so they can have places to thermoregulate all year long. Then I gotta get to my fishing poles, probably build a rack or something to put those on to get them out of the way. I already broke a couple. So everything coming together slowly. So I thank you guys for the support. The channel is slowly growing, but a little progress is better than no progress. And then I gotta find a better setup for the cameras, buy some more cameras so I can film everything, so I can keep an eye on everything even when I'm not at home. And then we'll be all set. So just imagine another cage like that top one going over there on top of that one, so it'll be completely even right here, all the way down. Then I'm gonna take these 2 cages here, put them up top, level them one at a time so I can still see inside of it. And those 2 cages probably just gonna be spare cages for something, just in case I buy something at the spur of the moment or need to put something in while I'm cleaning their cage out. Over here, the reptile that I got these racks to get is fat-tailed geckos, but I might get knob-tailed geckos as well. So I might get like maybe 2 pair of fat-tailed geckos and 2 pair of knob-tailed geckos, and keep the extra openings for offspring to raise them up and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment down below on any videos you might want to see, and I'll get that done for you. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.